What up, cradzy gang? And today I'm gonna teach y'all how to use module scripts in Roblox Lua. Now, I actually prepared an example and I'm gonna show it once I explain how it works. First, if you want to make like an admin panel, for instance, you create a folder. You name it load. You just name it whatever you want. Inside, you make a module script. Here, don't delete any of this. Just don't delete anything. Here, you do, let's say, local high equals 999. Okay. Now you guys do module dot high equals high. That's it. That's literally all you do. No hat. I'm just gonna do random names. Okay. Now you guys can name this anything you want. Okay, I'm just gonna name this. Okay. So you take a script. Let's say local module equals script. You just do the location on where the module script. For me, it's here. You do require, and then the location of where the module script you guys have is. For me, it's script.parent. Okay. Now you guys do print module.high. It's just gonna pop up in your code assist if you guys have it. Right now, if I run the game, it's gonna work. If I open the output right here, you see it says 999. Yeah, so you guys get the idea. Now I did prepare an example, like I prepared an example of how it should work. I made a admin panel, I guess. I don't know. I'm just gonna put my admin panel in. You guys will get it. Okay. WAP loader. Come on. Alright, here we go. WAP loader, here it is. Let me delete this loader here. I made a GUI, so yeah. A server, remotes. Which, this thing does not really work right now because I didn't finish at all, but I'm just gonna show an example of what I made. Let us load into the game. When we load into a game, it will check the model script for names, you know. It's gonna check for user IDs. If the player who just joined, his user ID matches the user ID I put it, okay, it's gonna bring you this button, which you can keep on opening it, or you can click M. You know, and you can click this. It doesn't really work right now because trying to figure out how I should do it. You guys get how it works, I guess. Like, now I can show you guys the code if you want. If you guys want to make a loader yourself, hold on. Here I do module, which it requires this. Remotes.parent equals game.recreated storage, which is this. It goes here. Now here, give UI. This is the actual code. If player.userid equals module.owner, which inside of the module you can see owner or creator. Creator, it's just set to me by default. Okay, so yeah, it just works. It does if player.userid equals module.owner, which is this variable right here. Here. Right now it's creator. So let's go to the creator line. Right over here. Else if player.userid equals module.creator, which is this. It's gonna do then local player UI equals player, wait for child player UI, which is the player here. In this function, when the player is added, it does give UI. and it's gonna specify the player. So yeah, I don't know what I want to do. Print if nothing here matches, it's gonna say owner not found, which is gonna go in the console. But I don't want to show the console because every single time you disconnect, it shows your IP address. So I'm not gonna show that. Anyways, if player.userid equals module.creator, then local players UI, which gets the players UI. If you go in a local script, here if I create a local script, you can easily find players UI by doing game.players.localplayer.players UI, which is the loaded UI of the player. It just shows what the player is seeing right now. Like if I put this in starters UI, it's gonna load it up, and it doesn't use this. It doesn't use my current logic right now, so it would not work. And here it returns the module, which means require gets it. It runs this local module, and it will return module, meaning it will return the variables. This is useful when you wanna make like a system. For example, if you wanna make a data store system, you can easily just say, oh, what's the name of the data store and what exactly it does and what's the value. It's pretty simple. You guys should understand it when you get used to it. Here it says successfully loaded. Oh, and here it parents the player's UI interface, which is this. Here it says interface here. You guys should get used to it when you guys wanna use. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Goodbye, guys. I hope you learned something from this, and I hope you can make games, module games actually, modules for developers. Earn some Robux, making UIs. And yeah, I guess that's it. Goodbye, everyone.